Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to log in to your Qantas Business Rewards account. Whether you're managing your business travel, earning points, or taking advantage of exclusive perks, accessing your account is easy and straightforward. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Qantas Business Rewards website. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Qantas Business Rewards website. You can do this by typing www.qantasbusinessrewards.com.au into the address bar and hitting Enter. Step 2. Click on the Login button. Once the website has loaded, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. It's usually highlighted, making it easy to find. Click on this button to proceed. Step 3. Enter your email address. On the login page, you will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Qantas Business Rewards account. Type your email address carefully in the provided field. Step 4. Enter your password. After entering your email address, you will be asked to provide your password. Make sure that your password is typed correctly. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure that you use the right combination of uppercase and lowercase letters. Step 5. Click Login. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If your email and password are correct, you will be directed to your Qantas Business Rewards dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues, if needed. If you cannot log in, try the following. Forgot password? Click the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset your password. Account lockout. If you've entered incorrect login details multiple times, your account might be temporarily locked. Wait a few minutes and try again. Contact support. If you continue to have trouble logging in, visit the Qantas Business Rewards Help Center or contact customer support for assistance. Step 7. Enjoy your business rewards. Once logged in, you can start managing your business's rewards, view your points balance, book travel, and much more. Don't forget to check for any exclusive offers and benefits tailored to your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your Qantas Business Rewards account. Safe travels!